Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will do the unboxing of the Blackview BV4900 Pro. It's a rugged outdoor smartphone. It comes with Android 10. It has a 5.7-inch HD Plus IPS display. It has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of ROM. It has a 5580 mAh battery. And it has a 5 megapixel front and 13 megapixel rear camera. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. First of all, we have the phone. The envelope with the SIM ejector tool, a manual, a charging cable, which is still micro USB, and the charger. It's only a 6 watt, it's 1.2 ampere. Okay, let's go to the phone. Okay, as you can see, it comes with a pre-applied screen protector. On the right side we have the power on and volume button. On top we have the headphone jack. On the left side, SIM card slot, memory card slot. On the bottom we have the charging port, speaker and microphone. On the back we have, as we can see, triple camera. I don't know if they are all working. Flash. Okay, I'm going to set up my account and I will come back to you. Well, I set up my account because there is no fingerprint scanner on this phone. I used the face recognition and I will show you. As you can see, it's working very nice. It's working quickly. Not bad at all. The screen also itself looks nice also. It's not high resolution, but it's okay. Also, there are not much extra apps on this phone. The only thing I see is Opera browser, and we have clone phone. Yeah, there's a sound recorder. This is from Blackview itself. Yeah, these apps I already installed myself, so they are mine. There's also an app for notes, a tool bag with a compass, but that's not really the kind of bloatware. This can all be useful. Okay, let's see some extra specs. It's the Blackview BV4900 Pro. MediaTek 6762. 4 GB of RAM. Internal storage left after I install my apps is about 46 GB. This is my external storage. I put a micro SD card inside. It's the Helio P22 8x1500. Display 720 by 1440, 5.6, almost 5.7 inches, 283 dots per inch. Okay, I'll show you the settings. Yeah, it's pretty standard anyway. Looks a bit different than the real standard setting screen, but for the rest it's almost the same. As you can see, security update is from October 5. I don't think I will get a new update anymore. Google, of course, April 1st from 2021. Okay, let's play Subway Surf. Game is also running very smooth. This is not the first phone with this kind of processor. I already expect it will be like this. Also for this, once again, for games like Subway Surf, this processor is good, but don't try the high resolution games. Okay, let's go to the camera. We have the picture mode, we have portrait mode, video, beauty, panorama, professional, portrait color, mono. Let's go to picture. We'll do the settings. Maximum picture size is 13 megapixel. Okay, let's go to the front camera. Maximum picture size is 5 megapixel. Let's do video. Front camera. Maximum video quality is HD. Rear camera maximum video quality is full HD. Okay, I would say let's go outside and make some pictures. Well, okay, my conclusion about this phone. The picture quality of the rear camera, for me it's good. It's not the best, but it's good. Certainly for this phone. Video quality of this phone, of this camera, is not the best. It's okay, but it can be better. Front camera is good also, but picture quality is also a little bit low. A lot of phones in this price range, they have better resolution cameras on the front. But anyway, this phone has, for this price range, it has a good camera. No complaints about that. Phone itself also works very nice. It's running smooth. Standard apps, what you're using is perfect, no problem. The only thing I didn't like is the screen protector. I take it out directly because it was hard to use. It's very difficult. It's very rough. But without screen protector it's fine. It's working very nice. This phone, would I recommend it? Yes. For daily use, normal use, watching YouTube, Netflix, listening to music like Spotify, it's a perfect phone. But like I said already before, for heavy gaming, no. Don't use it for heavy gaming. But if you're looking for a phone just for daily use as social media, music, and watching YouTube, I certainly recommend this phone. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, ask me and I try to answer them. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I see you again in one of my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.